Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Football Manager 26. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to disable enable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Football Manager 26 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then go to the properties, go to the controller tab. Here select disable Steam input and then changing require restart of the game. So restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the properties of Football Manager 26 and then go to the controller tab, and this time select enable Steam input and then restart the game, and after restarting the game check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. This has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter keys. Try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Football Manager 26 or not. Fix 3, disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard, or additional controllers, display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Football Manager 26 game and then select properties. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after 100% of verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So click on this arrow icon, right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam, then relaunch the Steam and then launch Football Manager 26 game and check if your controller is working or not. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then launch the Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Football Manager 26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.